Kano's disciple apologized, set to join Biafrans to continue sit-at-home order on Monday. I am on a special assignment for Biafran freedom under Onyendu's Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Stop trying to distract me. What you don't know is bigger than you. I am all around. My promise to Onyendu is that in discharging this special assignment, I will not disappoint him and Biafrans. I am aware that some people are already cooking slanders against the Son of Man, are waiting and waiting for Onyendu to be released. My focus now is to make sure that Nigerian and Southeast politicians are not sleeping until they become part of Onyendu's freedom by fire by force. I will join Biafra on Monday to sit at home. I am Simon Ekpa, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's disciple on Biafra restoration. Perfect. You see, this guy Ekpa forgets the error he one time committed. The guy is still very much fit to represent Nnamdi Kanu. You understand now? He's very much fit and okay to represent Nnamdi Kanu. Do you understand now? He's very much fit. So I don't know what anybody is thinking, but for my own personal findings and observation, he's the only person that can replace Nnamdi Kanu on that Radio Biafra. He is the only person I believe that has that Biafran spirit to replace Nnamdi Kanu. No other person. There is no politics about it. No politics, no fucking politics about it. Anybody that is doubting that should go and make his findings. This is my own findings, and I've made it right. And that is why Nnamdi Kanu looked at it and said, Ekpa should be on the seat and broadcast. I'm telling you, Ekpa should be on that seat and what? And broadcast. So Nnamdi Kanu is not a fool, or is not blind when he made that request, when he gave that order. He knows what he's doing. He knows what he said, and he knows why he said what he said. He would have just appointed anybody in Radio Biafra, but no. He said no. This is the right person, and that is just the truth. He is the right person. No shaking. He is the right person. So I support whatever Ekpa have just said. First and foremost, he deserves to be welcomed back. Again, he deserves to be given the opportunity because the responsibility is not given by any IPOB member, but rather from the higher authority, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And there is every proof that Nnamdi Kanu actually gave him that responsibility, because even Ima Powerful is aware of it. Do you understand? He's aware of it. So let IPOB members get themselves organized. Even if Simon Ekpa is making mistakes, he should be called to order. He should be called to order. Nobody is perfect. Nobody is perfect. It can still be taught. It can still be reminded. Do you understand? Let us support each other, because these people, they are evil people. They are planning to come in between you and get the IPOB group shattered and parted in two. That is their plan. Oh. That is their plan. Oh. So don't think that they have any good plan for you. I am saying it now, and it's looking as if I am saying jargons. It looks as if I'm saying jargons, but that is the humble truth. You see that? So let us be wise. Let us be wise and help this situation and help ourselves, because these people, they don't have anything else to say. You don't have anything else to use as a backup. They don't. Rather than, oh my God, see, my dear viewers, please, please, Nnamdi Kanu's trial is around the corner. Let every hands be on deck. Let everyone throw their weight. Now, their support is very important. Your support is very important. Let your support be 100% now. Let it be 100%. Okay? These people, they don't want Nnamdi Kanu to succeed. They don't want it to succeed. And that is the plan. Unless you two don't want Nnamdi Kanu to succeed. But I know that you never want that. Do you understand? I know you will never want that. So let us be wise and let these people be pushed to shame. They must be pushed to shame. They must be disappointed. Do you understand? They must be disappointed though. Don't give them that opportunity. Do you understand? Don't give them that opportunity at all. So let us push them all to shame. Let us make them to know that we know their tricks. Let's make them know that we know all of their plans. Everything that they plan to do, let's let them know that we know them all. Do you understand? Yes. There is no way they can ever succeed. We are ahead of them. Do you understand? We are ahead of them and will always be. So, my dear viewers in the house, the truth is gradually fishing out. It's fishing out. And that is their fear. That is their fear. Don't forget, the trial is already at the corner. Look at Nnamdi Kanu's case file that was 4 days ago disappeared. Now it has resurfaced. See all the content, facts that is already in that content. And why they were hiding it. Everything has resurfaced. Everything has been revealed. See why? Shame on the devil. Shame on the devil. Nigeria.com. I'm afraid of this country. More than afraid. I'm telling you. Alright. Let me hear from you from the house to know what you have to say on this very issue. Don't forget to leave your comment below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.